But people, I'm live. Oh, I like it. So, quel petit tape téléphone? Vamos
But
mouver no
why
artiste.
you have to open it live?
For moving live, ma'am.
Why?
For moving live. Say hi to the people.
What's
our
we're gonna get people live?
Get 30 people. Let me do my artiste, let me say black. Okay, so guys, I'm about to open my
Christmas gift. Why do you want
gift.
to open your gift? Bama live for Bam Shirley. I'm
Baka share.
I forgot I can't share.
I'm about to open my gift live. I don't know what it is, but if you have one here, Queen Nadimo, I got you a gift. You're gonna love it. You're gonna be excited. And I told her I wanted makeup, so I don't know what she got me. Let's see, guys. I'm about to open it right now. I gotta fix my hair, so don't mind my hair. Say hi to the camera, Queen.
Hi guys, hi. If you're here, please share the live.
Share live, là,
You
pour
know how
nous.
it is. C'est toujours même si vibe là.
Toujours même bagaille.
Même bagaille là.
Je vais pas mon over there. Yay! That's the booty.
What's your problem with that ass?
Guys, I'm addicted to her ass. Alright, guys. So, fèl brive someone pou m'ka share la petite tête, pou m'ka montre nou petite tête gift la Simon. Gwe Simon amour. Hi! Kathy. Hey, love. Mary. Millie. Myri. So yeah, guys, I'm about to open my gift. Feliz verso. I'm so happy. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, I know I'm gonna be happy because she got good taste and she know what I need.
I know what you need.
She know what I want. Oh, we love you too.
I told you it's something you were gonna like.
Lovely, I'm back, honey.
Des tout son bagay que ou vraiment.
Okay. Oui, c'est ça qui fait m'excited comme ça.
Chérie, gardez ça m'voye ba ou an la gueule pour moi. D'accord, baby. Bye.
Nous aimons tout, bah nous est blonde. Oh, m'de dit ça, mais il vient à 67. Blonde, que petit tête. Que petit tête,
T'as l'heure m'a battre pour me share live là pour.
Bonjour. Bonjour le peuple. Le peuple. Well, bonjour people.
I think le peuple was fine.
Okay. Look at our view. Oh, we love you too, guys. Mbaba no way forget Queen Night. This is my live. Marcellus floor. Hi. Mettez tête Queen no of it. Any là-bas, any. Queen no fait descendre en avion Timon.
That's again.
Mba jam ti fi non Weber. But mba di virginité m'dat. Mba change aki lunch. So yeah, guys, I'm about to open my gift. It's 258 people. Hi, Maggie. Maggie. Hi, love. Merry late Christmas, Lucian.
Bon, ou vle se live pour ouvrir gift là?
Yes, Blondedy Ferdinand. C'est live pour m'ouvrir gift là même. Si me disappointed, beaucoup ouais gift là non Timon. Si me disappointed, ou n'a pas ni quoi me faire mais
live.
live là. M'ba faire blonde want live. M'a fait me live là man. Trayvon, you blocking. I'm gonna block you, bitch. Would you back I mal de blonde? I'm gonna block you under my live. Don't say anything about me or her.
Point blank.
Block.
So pass me the camera then. Let me.
You ready now?
Huh? So y'all know it was Christmas. Ooh, that my leg.
But t'as la tête là pour up people Timon. Nous
La don
connaissons
fatig nan jem. Et puis ti cheveux grand sac nan tête man.
Ils sont blancs chevaux.
Ils sont blancs cheveux.
T'as les coups de pral au people.
So guys, Christmas was the other day. And nous connaissons déjà Grace, c'est cousine moi. C'est make-up artiste moi. Et depuis le bon côté, m'nam réalisé gen un grain bagay que li besoin en pile. So moi te fait le mission. Moi te fait le mission pour me faire le cadeau pour Christmas. La chic.
Let's open the gift.
Okay. So, me fait que la caille moi.
That's the gift, people.
And this is your gift. Grace tellement content pour give ça. Elle va gâter pour l'ouvrir. Got figure. She's like a kid. About to have some candy. Et puis, li monte live, li dit c'est live pour n'a quitté le rive 1000 moun. Fait cher, 1000 moun pour Grace ouvert gift là.
1000 moun?
Oh, 1000 moun moi dit ou que t'as ouvert gift. Oh. What the hell? 1000 moun.
1000 moun.
Continuez cher. Le rive 1000 moun pour Grace ouvert gift là. Hey guys, hey. She dying. She dying. You get at 936, Grace. You almost there.
936. I'm gonna cry, guys.
Make Grace wish come true. 997.
997?
1K.
I made it. Oh, mommy, I made it.
You. And this is not only the fun. I got you a plan on it, which I'm gonna pay for you every month. Because I'm gonna internet ou pas jamais marcher. Les nous voyager ou pas qu'à utiliser téléphone nous. So moi pour un plan pour souli.
Oh my God.
And
566294095 to transfer your phone number.
yes, you have to call. Yes, so wap sorti na Boost Mobile pour vin joindre na T-Mobile. So yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Oh, Gracie, come on. I love you. I'm grateful for you, my love. I'm so grateful for you. You're welcome, baby.
Guys, I needed a phone. I mean, I didn't want to get on the phone. Oh.
I got you the purple one. This is the iPhone 11.
Guys.
Yes.
I'm shaking.
She's shaking.
Oh my God.
So here is your phone, ma'am.
You guys, I'm about to throw this phone away. I have to go because I'm about to throw this phone away, y'all. I got an iPhone 11. Yeah, I gotta go, y'all. I gotta throw this phone away like in the water. Y'all wanna see me throw it away? Oh my God, guys, I'm so grateful. She's amazing, guys. Yeah, nous just pas connaît blonde. Oh my God. Nous pas connaître que j'aime content because I needed a phone. Le toujours have to Grace ou besoin la téléphone, because you pas j'aime gagner internet l'aime parti c'est Wi-Fi. L'aime pas gagner Wi-Fi même presque mourir.
Oui, presque crier, elle va gagner Wi-Fi. Vieux Mobile va pas fonctionner. I was like, no, I need to give this girl a phone. But then d'abord bought telephone pour fouer SIM card one of them. And I'm like, she's still gonna have the same problem.
I'm gonna have the same problem.
And I was like, no, let me bump on plan pour. So on plan. I added you on my line, on my plan. So really Boost Mobile, really T-Mobile, you know. All you need is your account number and your PIN. If you have your account number and your PIN, you don't need nothing. Just call T-Mobile and then you're gonna tell them you're doing a transfer. You just get a gift and then you're doing a transfer and then they're gonna give you the same number.
That's my bitch forever. I mean, I'm not saying that because, you know, this is my bitch. I know. Oh my God, guys. I'm just so happy. Valentina, oh, bitch, let me tell you something about this wig. This is a $230 wig, 16-inch. It fix your front lump, bitch. Don't even come for me about this wig. I pay money for this wig. Don't come for me about this damn wig. This is one problem we don't have is wigs problem, bitch. I needed a phone. That's all I needed. I gotta fix the fucking front. I gotta put some water. I was too excited to come alive, but don't come for me about my wig. This wig is expensive, bitch. Let me fix it. I mean, to me it is. What the fuck? Coming about my wig. Let me fix it now. I'm gonna fix my fucking wig. Y'all hater. I got a phone net. I'm mailed. Talk about